guys, welcome to Delightful and Delicious. My name is Stephanie, and if you are already one of our subscribers, thank you. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, notification bell right down below. We'll give you a second. Perfect. Now today we are making another Southern classic. We're making shrimp and grits. Shrimp and grits is one of those dishes that in the South we eat breakfast, brunch, lunch, and dinner. It's just one of those things that tastes good any time of the day. It's super easy. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, y'all. Now the first thing we're gonna do is get started on our grits. I used old-fashioned stone ground grits. I don't use quick grits or like the 5-minute grits because the dish just doesn't turn out with the same flavor or texture. So let's go ahead and get started with these. To a medium pot, add water, heavy cream, unsalted butter, salt and pepper, and your grits. Now whisk that together to make sure that there are no lumps and your grits are smooth. Bring this to a boil, reduce the heat, put a lid on, and let this cook for 25 minutes, making sure you stir it occasionally. Now while our grits are cooking, I have some shrimp here that I have removed the shell from, deveined, washed, and pat dry with a paper towel. If you guys need to know how to properly clean your shrimp, I have a video right here that you can click on. Now I'm just going to add some Creole seasoning and some chili pepper flakes to this. We're gonna get this all stirred up. And we're just gonna put this to the side while we move on to our next step. In a large pan, heat some olive oil, add your turkey andouille sausage, and your bell pepper, and stir. Add a little Creole seasoning, stir, and then let this cook over medium heat for about 3 minutes. Once your sausage and bell pepper are done, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now in the same pan that you cook the sausage in, add a little bit more oil, and then add your shrimp. Make sure that they are in a single layer so that they cook evenly. Once your shrimp have turned pink on one side, it's time to turn them over. Next, you want to add your lemon juice, fresh garlic, scallions, and fresh parsley. Now mix that all together well. And finally, add your sausage and bell pepper back in, give that a good stir, let that heat through for a couple of minutes, turn your heat off, and you're all done with your shrimp. Alright y'all, now back to the grits. Now when they're all done cooking, they should look something like this. They are nice and creamy, the liquid has been absorbed. You want to give them a quick stir, cut your heat off, and then add your cheese in. Make sure you stir this in really well to make sure that all of your cheese gets melted and everything gets combined. And here's our final dish, our super easy Southern shrimp and grits. Now all we did is we took our grits, we put them into a bowl, we topped them with that delicious shrimp and turkey andouille sausage mixture, and easy breezy. It's not that hard to do, super good. Get a little taste. Y'all, once you cook stone ground grits, if you've never had them before, I don't think you'll ever go back to like the quick grits. I mean, the flavor is just so different. The texture is different. The cream that we put in here when we were cooking them makes them super creamy and delicious, and just, this is just awesome, y'all. Another little taste. So now, I hope you guys will try this. All of the ingredients are listed down below. All of the ingredients and directions are on our website at delightfulanddelicious.com. I will also leave a link to that down below. This took us about 30 minutes to do, full of flavor. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave it down below. And until next time, make sure that whenever you are in the kitchen, you are keeping it delightful and delicious. Bye guys, I'll see you next time.